Good morning from the ranch. It's Saturday, September 25th, the year of the Lord 2021. We got a couple of things we gotta get done this morning, really. Before we get going, I mean, we got things we need to do this afternoon, not here, but we got a birthday party to go to. And so we're gonna do a couple of things this morning. We gotta go water trees. So we gotta fill up the tote, start that process. We also need to clean the Baler. Clean it, figure out, oh, there it is right there. Yeah, we gotta clean the Baler, figure out what the noises were. Hopefully it's not barons. Hope I can just figure out maybe it's buildup of grass or something, but more than likely it's barons. And then we gotta fix the water leak. It's continuing to slow leak out and it's gonna create a mess. Gotta get that done. All right, so there's a lot of water coming out of the ground over there. I got all the parts to do that with. So we'll be doing that here in a little bit before we go to the party, because I'm going to turn the water off everywhere, put it all in place, glue it. The glue's got to dry, so while we're gone, it'll dry. We come back, turn on all the water. That's the plan. And let's see here. I'm going to go walk over and check cows real quick, see if anybody's in heat. The sun's up over the trees already. It's not too early. I mean, I don't know what time it is, 7:30 or so probably, but it's cool. It's 60 degrees out this morning. It's not in the, we had one morning this week in upper 40s. I think it's 49, I think was what I saw. So it's not that cool, but it feels really good. Today and tomorrow will be a little bit warmer in the afternoons. Be nice in the mornings. I think we got rain scheduled to come, so that means humidity is going to come. The humidity and dew point is going to start rising on us again. So that's going to happen this week. It's going to get kind of muggy and feel like, oh gosh, here we go again. So this is we're in fall weather number 2 right now. Yeah, we already had one. We had one a couple weeks ago where it got really nice for about a week. And so this is fall number 2. We're gonna have, I think, a revisit of spring, the way it's about to feel here. And with the, how muggy it's gonna be and the rain chances and stuff like that. So, okay, we got somebody coming in the heat. But I think that's Big Duchess. She won't breed. She's old. She's an old cow. She won't take. So there's really no reason to put her into bull. It's just not going to work. I want no reason to put her in there, and then it just opens opportunity of an injury or something like that for him. Like I said, she won't take. I think it's because we did flush her real hard, and we got a lot of embryos. Not real hard, but she flushed a lot. We only flushed her about 4 times, I think. And most of those flushes she put out some huge numbers, like 36, 34, stuff like that. So we got those embryos sitting in there in the tanks. But yeah, I'm just looking for these other cows. I know that roan over there is not going to be in heat yet. She's the one she had the stillborn twins last week. So she's not going to be in heat yet. So I'm pretty sure it's the old Duchess cow that's in heat right now. Because she does that. She comes in about every 3 months. And it's about the 3rd month right now. So what we're looking for right now is this cow right over here. Not the heifer on the feeder, but the right looking away with the calf on her. We need her to come back right over there. So we need her to come back in the heat. We need the queen cow to come back in the heat, and then eventually we'll get into where our key heifer here, Cece. We'll get her back in the heat, and then start the other ones that have already that just calved recently. So that's what we're doing. We're just checking them. I need to go feed the bull. Is that cow? Well, hold on. That calf is sucking on the wrong cow. That one should be over there. Okay, that's the cow. That's Rose over here. That calf was sucking on. Wrong cow. She's got a bull calf on her right now. So that calf that's sucking on her actually belongs over there somewhere to a different cow. That figures, because that rose cow has like extremely rich milk evidently. Because every calf out here will try to drink off, will try to suck on her. So, but yeah, so a couple of things, and that's about it today. I mean, that's what we got planned on. I need to clean this little area up here for when I put the Baler over here. I don't want tall grass around it because that'll let mice get in and chew up wires and stuff. So we can do that. I think what else? Birthday party. And let's see where they at on hay. Still got hay, so I'm not gonna put any more out yet. They got a whole nother bale sitting over there still that they're just now getting to. So I'm gonna feed the bull. And then I guess I could start the water. Well, I'll start it here in a minute. Well, I'm going to start it now. Let's go start the water, feed the bull, and then that way the tote's filled up, but I'm going to actually work on the Baler first before I do the water out to the trees. So we'll come back in a minute. So we gotta get all this grass out of here. You can see right here, I already got all this pulled out, but we gotta get all this grass out, dry grass and everything out of here. You can see it down there, up in here, all around. I mean, there's grass up there at the very top. And we'll get most of this out, then we'll come and pressure wash. And then we'll start greasing everything. And I got it hooked up over here. So once we get all that done, we'll run the Baler, listen to it, and see if there's anything else we need to look at. Hopefully getting it clean and greasing it, and if we find something in there that looks off, like maybe something clogged up in there, we can get that out of the way, and hopefully that's all it is. Because if it's not, and then one of the rollers is making a noise, that means we got a bearing issue, which means we got a repair to do, and I'm not looking forward to that. I haven't done a bearing replacement on a Baler in a long time. So I'm definitely not looking forward to it. Yeah, it matters. We just gotta get all this out. Matter of fact, we have to get this out before winter anyway. Otherwise, rats will get in here and build up nests and chew wires and stuff. Just not a good thing to have. Here. We got stuff everywhere in here. Here we get all this to get out. Dirty in there.
here somewhere. That ain't struggling. So I really can't tell where that's coming from yet. Whoa, don't fall. Let me get here. I got my lock on, so we got the safety on. We got to figure this out. This is not normal. This one right here. It did stop. Gotta be that one right there. So we're going to get that one replaced. As you can see, it's pulling on it. There's the other side of it right here. definitely some stuff built up in there. So what I'm thinking is maybe we need to pop this off. The only thing I'm worried about is what does that do? Right? I think I'll come back to it. I'm gonna go water. Think about this, get the book out, look at it. Make sure if I pop this off, it doesn't want to pull the whole shaft out, that it defeats the purpose. But man, it's caked up in there really good. Let me get mine. That's it. So that roller comes all the way over. If I pop that off, it's going to want to pull the whole thing out. Unless I pull this, I think it's these and this, and that's going to leave that roller in there. So I just got to make sure I got to make sure it doesn't fall somewhere and become a pain in the butt to get back on. I guess it don't really matter, it's got to come off anyway. Net wrap right there. Look at that. Yeah. That's net wrap. A lot of it. And I think I know now where it came from. That field we were on there's a spot that had some net wrap in it, and I was trying to avoid it, and I bet I caught it. And now that makes sense. Pull this guy off. You'll probably find a bunch of net wrap wrapped around that thing. That's probably why it's doing it when it's up high. So it's going to put more tension on it. It's all net wrap. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. That would cause a problem. Okay, we know what it is. Let's just hope it didn't ruin the bearing. So we're going to pull this off. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to go water trees. I'm going to put you on pause while I do that. Y'all don't need to see that again. And when we come back to work on this, I'll turn y'all back on. I'm going to get the book out, figure out what all I need to take off to get to, how to take that off in the right steps where I don't mess up something. And we'll go from there. But yeah, there's no problem. I just hope we didn't mess the bearings up. Okay, back. I had to go load some hay. Somebody had a customer come buy hay. So we got them loaded. Let's get busy here. I think it was a 18 is what we figured out. And we need an extension. So I got his regular socket extensions, not impact ones. I need to get me a kit of those still. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Ooh, that roller went off when I did that. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Dang it. There we go. Maybe I can get it off now. Just got a okay. I didn't notice that. I have to think about that. When we put them back on, how we're going to do that now? Okay. Oh yeah, look at there. God, that's a lot of junk in there. A lot of net wrap. Okay, so we gotta get this piece. Okay. So this goes on there. Okay, we got everything off, looks like. I got some more right there though too. Okay. So now, get this guy back on. It's gonna be fun times because of that right there. Okay. Let's get this guy on first. The way that went back on. I'd leave that a little bit loose for now. Don't want to do that though. Okay. Now, that's fun time. It's better than it was. Okay, so we're gonna leave the Baler here tonight. So I think in the morning, since I already got this done, in the morning I'm gonna put on dirty, greasy. I got this dirty though already. I got another work shirt now, but I got some older shirts, some dirtier shirts. I'm gonna put on so I can grease all this up and get the chains oiled up, hook the tractor up to it, spin them, get them hot first, then oil them. I'm gonna actually put oil on them this time, and just so I have it on there, because don't know if we'll use this again this year or not. We're waiting to see what happens. We got rain coming this week. If we get enough rain, we might be able to cut and bale a couple places in October. But there's no guarantee yet, until we see how much rain we get. So we're gonna just get it ready, have it all ready, and that way if we don't bale again, at least it's got the oil, it's got all the grease in, and we'll let it sit for a couple months before we come back and what is that going to, oh, I know what. Before we come back and actually change out the oil. We'll change out gear oil this winter again. I changed it out twice this year. You know, just because I wanted to. I don't know why. I just did it. But we'll do it. We'll do it this winter when we know we're getting close to, you know, start prepping everything for the spring rush of hay. Hopefully we'll get, you know, good cut-ins this spring. We got a couple other things I want to do. I want to put some what they call gathering wheels over here. And what the gathering wheels are, those are the big spoke wheels, and they sit up in here and they pull this outside hay. That's because I make pretty, you know, I don't bunch up my windrows. I make them spread out a little bit more. I try to bunch the sides up. And what I do is I'm losing a strip of hay on both sides because of the way I'm doing that, but it makes my bells so much better. So what I want to do is put the gathering wheels on. Those are the ones that got those big spokes on them and everything. And I'm going to put them on here. And what that will allow me to do is, you know, gather that hay that's on the outside edge back in. And that will actually make better bells because it's going to put more right there on the edge of that Baler. So that's the plan. Let me see here. I don't know what's going on around me. I heard something. But anyway, so we're going to do that. Let me pick this up. So that's one of the things we got to do this winter. Those things are not cheap, so we'll do them sometime this winter. We gotta get the shop done. I've been saying that for a while. We got the poles here, we got other stuff here. Just, I think maybe this coming weekend we'll be on the shop. Because I don't really have much scheduled for this next weekend. Yeah.